Hi and welcome back. Let's take a quick look at how we can set a default value for the date to be today's date. So what we want to do is, of course, say date equals today. And in order to do that, we are going to need to use the datetime module. And this datetime module, what it says is, it says call the module and then call the datetime class and say UTC now. And basically a datetime is an object, just like the post object, that contains some properties which are the year, month, day, hour, minute and second, and as well as the time zone and a couple other things as well. So this UTC now method, what it does is it creates a datetime object that has the time and date right now, and then we assign that to the date, and that will be the default date for a post that we create. So if we decide not to pass the constructor or the init method a date, then we can simply use today's date. So what I mean with that is, as an example here, we would say post equals post, and then blog ID equals 1, 2, 3, title equals a title, content equals some content, author equals, say, and then we could leave it as that. We've got blog ID, title, content, and author, blog ID, title, content, and author. The date would be today's date, and the ID would be none. If we want to assign an ID, we could do that, although it's not recommended because they are generated automatically. If we want to assign a date, we could do that. Datetime UTC now would be today, and we can do more things to subtract days from a date and make it yesterday, for example. So this is how we would use that default value, and what we're going to be doing is now moving on to the blog and seeing how we can indeed create these posts and put them in blogs and then display the blogs themselves. So I'll see you in the next video.